I absolutely love dry brushing. There are so many benefits to it, and it's also almost a meditative process once you get into it. It's just something to do to take care of yourself and get all the wonderful benefits from it that you can read all about. But I want to talk about this specific brush. Now, it's been a few years since I've used one, and my last one truly wore out. So I went with the Goop Beauty one, as it's time for me to get a new dry brush, and this one came with amazing reviews. These are natural sisal fibers. A few of them will come off right when you get it. If I move this into the way, a couple came off. That is totally normal. Everything about this is natural materials, wood, really lovely piece. I actually really like the way it's shaped. It feels really good in my hand. And to use this, I will start at my feet and work up in a circular motion through my whole body, and just having that really nice experience. Be sure to listen to your body and your skin as you use this and as you get comfortable with it. And it's great to do right before you take a shower or a bath. Kind of part of your spa experience. Really a wonderful piece. Now I went with the Goop Dry Brush specifically because of all the natural fibers. I did not want anything plastic or unnatural here on something I'm going to be rubbing on my body all the time, and because of all the fantastic reviews. I thought it would be a great option for me. I love the smaller size. The last one I had was very large, and it just wasn't something that could fit easily in my bathroom, whereas this one is a small size. It'll easily fit in my drawer. It's just slightly larger than a hairbrush, and I also do love that it has a hook so I could hang it. The Goop Beauty G-Tox Ultimate Dry Brush. I definitely recommend it.